Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you know which Office version you own and sign into the Microsoft account tied to that license. Once signed in, check common folders like Downloads, Desktop, and Program files because setup files often land there after download. If you used a browser, check its download history to jump directly to the file. Make sure Windows is updated and you have admin rights. These reduce permission problems later and explain why installation may fail if skipped. Now you dig deeper to find the exact setup file. Use File Explorer search with keywords like Setup, Office Setup, or Microsoft Office and filter by EXE or MSI. This narrows results quickly. Make sure to check both Program Files and Program Files, x86, because 64-bit or 32-bit installers go to different folders. Once you spot the installer, right-click and select Properties to confirm version and origin. This helps you avoid running corrupted or wrong language installers and explains why file details matter. To finish, run the installer as administrator and follow on-screen prompts to install Office. This ensures proper permission for system changes. If you can't find the setup, sign into your Microsoft account, visit your Office purchases, and re-download the correct installer. This prevents mismatched versions. If installation fails, disable antivirus briefly, confirm sufficient disk space, and note any error codes. Those codes explain why an install failed and guide specific fixes. Once complete, activate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.